On question number 3, we are selecting the winner using the plurality with elimination method. So we already know that there's 24,000 total votes, but we need to know how many votes make a majority. So a majority is over 50%. So I'm going to divide 24,000 by 2 to get 12,000. So 12,000 would be exactly 50%. So over 50% would be 12,001. So to get a majority, you need at least 12,001 votes. So we are starting with round 1, and we need to calculate the total number of first place votes for each candidate. So Aisha is getting 7,500 plus 4,500, which is 12,000. Blaine is getting 0, and Sierra is getting 12,000. Does a candidate have a majority yet? Well, you need 12,001 votes to have a majority, so no. And then we want to eliminate the candidate with the least number of first place votes, so that would be Blaine. So I want to remove Blaine from the table and then move up all of the people who are underneath Blaine. So the first column is now CA, the second column is now AC, and the third column is now AC. So we are ready for round 2, and Aisha is getting the same, 12,000 first place votes, and Sierra is getting the same, 12,000 first place votes. So does a candidate have a majority yet? Well, you need 12,001, so no. Since this is the last round, we are not going to eliminate anyone, and it's going to end in a tie between Aisha and Sierra.